guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you guys a quick and easy hairstyle I like to do on my old wash and go. As you guys can tell, my hair is somewhat still defined, but it's very frizzy, so I'm just going to keep the same part that I normally have for my wash and goes, and I'm just going to kind of make it look a little bit more straight. And I'm going to part my hair down by my ear and also on the other side down by my ear. I'm trying to get these parts straight as possible, but you guys know I do not know how to part for nothing, so I'm just going to part that side and put it up with a clip, and then just go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Now that I'm finished parting my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Taliah Waajid moisturizing, detangling, and styling cream. And basically what I do is just put this on the back section of my hair to add more moisture back into my hair, and also to define my curls a little bit more. Try to get rid of that frizz as much as possible. So I'm just going to put that up in a ponytail and just leave that in overnight just like it is. Moving back to the front sections, I'm starting out with the smaller section first, and I'm just going to spritz this with some water just to add some moisture back into my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and use that same cream that we just used, and I'm going to use that on my hair, just putting it all over throughout this section just to kind of refresh my hair. And I'm also going to say this is I use whatever product I use for my wash and go, and so since I use this cream for like my wash and go, I'm just going to go ahead and use that to like refresh my hair. And then I'm just going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb, and now I'm using some Gorilla Snot, and as you guys can tell, this texture is like really like slimy, and it has a strong hold with my hair, so I'm just going to put like a little bit around the perimeter of this section just to kind of sleek down my hair. And now I'm just going to brush it down to make sure it has like a really nice hold and as sleek as possible. Now I'm just going to start flat twisting my hair all the way down. I just think this is a lot more easier, and it is less harsh on your hair than braiding your hair all the way down. For those of you that don't really know how to actually braid your hair down, I just like to flat twist. It's pretty simple, but if you guys want a more in-depth video on how to flat twist your hair, I can do that for you guys. But yeah, I'm basically like smoothing my hair down with this rat tail comb just to make sure my hair doesn't have like any knots or any tangles. But basically I'm just flat twisting my hair all the way down, and then I'm just going to leave that to the side and go ahead and start working on the other section. Moving on to the next section, I'm just kind of doing the same process like I did on the other side, starting out with this styling cream. And like I was trying to say before, is whatever product that I use for my wash and go, as in styling creams, that's the same product that I'm going to use on my hair to kind of refresh it. I just think it only makes sense, so that's just what I'm using now. And if you guys want to see a video of me doing a wash and go using this styling cream, then I can do that for you guys. But I'm moving on to detangling my hair, and this side was so thick, so it took me forever to detangle my hair. Moving on to the gel, I'm only using a little bit. It may not look like it, but I'm only using a little bit compared to what I used to do. I used to go ham with some gel, but now since I use the Gorilla Snot, I only use a little bit because it has like a strong hold on my hair, and I want my hair to last because I don't have time. Well, not really time, but I just don't feel like washing my hair anytime soon. So I'm just using a little bit of that gel, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start flat twisting all the way down. And like I said before, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how I flat twist my hair, then let me know in the comment section down below. I will do that for you guys. Now I'm just basically smoothing down my hair with this rat tail comb, kind of detangling my hair, and then I'm just twisting the rest of the way down. Now I'm finished twisting both sections. I'm just going to wrap it around the bun in the back and just secure it like that. I'm not really going to secure it fully, but I'm just going to kind of just keep it pinned up in the back just so it won't mess up overnight. And then I'm just adding some gel to the little curlies that I have, and then to my edges. And I'm basically just sleeking down my edges. I'm not really doing nothing extra to my edges. I just want like a little sleek style. So I'm just brushing my edges to keep them in place with that gel. And by the way, I did use that Gorilla Snot for my edges if you guys wanted to know. But that's what I'm using. And now I'm just going to go ahead and tie my hair up with this little do-rag scarf. And I'm gonna go to bed. Alright you guys, so it's the next day, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks pretty sleek. So I'm taking in my twist in the hair in the back, and I'm just going to fluff out my hair with my hands and also with this wide tooth comb just to add some volume to my bun. Now that I'm finished fluffing out my hair, I'm just taking the coconut oil Eco Style gel and just to put it on the back section to have a light hold on the back section. And now I'm just twisting up my twist into the ponytail, and now I'm just going to secure it with this scrunchie in place. And this is basically what my bun looks like. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. This is one of my go-to hairstyles for an old wash and go. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Ryan Little.